Introducing the Beurer IH 16 Nebuliser, your compact, powerful solution for the whole family. Inside the box you'll find everything you need: an instruction booklet, a nebulizer unit, a bag that has the following in: a child mask, an adult mask, a mouthpiece, nose piece, atomizer, strap, hose, and 5 filters. To use it, just attach the hose to the nebulizer unit and make sure that it is fully inserted before continuing. On the other side, you can attach the medicine container. Also just check that it is connected correctly, otherwise no steam will come out. If you open the top, you'll see a little plastic part in the middle. This is the atomizer. This is one of the most important parts of the nebulizer. Without this little plastic, the nebulizer won't make steam that is supposed to come out at the top. Also remember to only use the recommended amount of water, otherwise it also will not make any steam. The different attachments fit onto the medicine container. Remember to connect them thoroughly. Please don't use thick liquids like Vicks or oils with high viscosity inside the medical container. This can damage the nebulizer as the consistency is too thick. Stick to saline solution or doctor-recommended medication only. The nebulizer is easy to clean thanks to its removable parts. But remember, over time, the atomizer and filters wear out, so we recommend replacing them yearly. And that's it. Quick to set up, easy to use, and trusted Beurer quality with a 5-year warranty.